Hi everyone, I'm Shubham Jhanwar. We are discussing KVPY 2017 SX, and the question for this video is this. Let S is equal to all the values of this expression a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca such that a, b, c are real and ab plus bc plus c is not equal to 0. Where R is the set of real numbers, then S equals. That means the exhaustive set S is equal to what? Yeah, nothing more, nothing less, so to speak. So here let's consider a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. Now some of you may already be aware of what we are about to do, which is a square plus b square plus c square is always greater than or equal to ab plus bc plus ca. Yeah. So as you expand, you get 2 times a square plus b square plus c square is always greater than or equal to 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. And some of you may already be aware of this standard result. So let's consider the case. Let's consider the case where AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 0. Of course, it can be equal to 0. So only 2 cases we will be considering. Case 1 where AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 0. Another case where AB plus BC plus CA would be less than 0. So here, as you cross multiply, since AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 0, this inequality sign remains the same, and you have a square plus b square plus c square divided by AB plus BC plus CA is always greater than or equal to 1. Yeah. So that means when AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 0, this expression is definitely greater than 0, because the numerator a square plus b square plus c square would definitely not be negative. Yeah, in fact it can't even be 0. Why? Because then AB plus BC plus C would also become 0. A equal to B equal to C equal to 0 would make numerator 0, so would denominator become 0, which is not allowed. So this expression is definitely greater than 0. However, we have got a stricter condition that this expression is not just greater than 0, it is even greater than or equal to 1. Now we may wonder, what if 1 is never being attained at all, and maybe there is a further stricter condition possible. So we can easily understand that this equality holds when A is equal to B equal to C. Check it out. So when A is equal to B equal to C, then numerator denominator would be equal, and the ratio would be 1. So 1 is indeed being attained. Yeah. So that means B is not correct, even C is not correct. Why? Because 1 close to infinity it should be. So among A and D we have to C. Yeah, and we can easily consider this case too, where AB plus BC plus CA is less than 0. Now you may say, okay, hey, AB plus BC plus CA is less than 0, so just cross multiply. Just cross multiply, and you'd get a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca is less than or equal to 0. But that doesn't help. Yeah, because even as per the options, we need a stricter condition. Yeah, so we would like to do it in some other way, and let's consider a plus b plus c whole square by ab plus bc plus ca. This will definitely be less than 0. Why? Because numerator is definitely positive and denominator is definitely negative, because we have made that case AB plus BC plus CA is less than 0. Yeah. So here, as you expand, you get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA whole divided by AB plus BC plus CA. So you have AB plus BC plus CA plus 2 is less than 0. Yeah. And rather we can even take equality here. Yeah. Because although a square plus b square plus c square can't be 0, but a plus b plus c can be 0. Yeah. So here a plus b plus c can be 0, while ab plus bc plus ca is strictly less than 0. So that can happen. Yeah. So we should take even equality, because numerator can become 0. So here you have a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca is less than or equal to minus 2. Which is the strictest condition even from the options point of view. Yeah, less than or equal to minus 1, we are saying not just less than or equal to minus 1, it is in fact less than or equal to minus 2. So D is the answer, but still we may not be convinced Okay, sir, is minus 2 really being attained? So we can check it out. Minus 2 would be attained, that means when equality holds, which means the equality should hold in this first inequality that we have considered in this case 2. Yeah, that means a plus b plus c should be 0. So you may take a case like this. Let's say a is 1, b is 1, and let's say c is minus 2. And this ratio should turn out to be minus 2. Let's just check it out. You have 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6. And you have minus 2, 1. So you have minus 3. 6 divided by minus 3 is indeed minus 2. So yes, here a possible case of equality is this. We have checked and we are convinced that hey, D is the answer. Otherwise also D is the answer as per the given options, but we have further convinced ourselves that yes, indeed D is the answer. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned.